The mind is everything. What do you think you become? The Buddha. Autosuggestion is a key concept to lucid dreamers. Simply setting a powerful intention in your mind may be all you need to increase dream recall and induce lucid dreams. Many of the most powerful lucid dreaming techniques have autosuggestion and intention at their core. So, what is it? The Oxford Dictionary defines autosuggestion as the subconscious adoption of an idea that one has originated oneself, through the repetition of verbal statements to oneself in order to change behavior. Have you heard of positive affirmations? That is autosuggestion. But this isn't some new age or spiritual jargon. Autosuggestion has been scientifically proven to reduce anxiety and improve self-esteem. You are using autosuggestion all day, whether you know it or not. All of your self-talk, your inner monologue, whether it be positive or negative, is having an effect on your subconscious mind and how you see the world. Our brains are such powerful machines that we can bring about changes just by having a strong enough intention. Let's learn to use this simple mind programming technique to prime our brains to remember more dreams. Studies show that self-affirmations have been shown to decrease health-deteriorating stress and have been linked positively to academic achievement. Let's use the power of our minds to remember more dreams. The first step is to relax. When laying down for bed, take a moment to relax deeply. A relaxed mind is more susceptible to suggestion. Have you ever seen a hypnotist take total control of a group of volunteers? The very first thing the hypnotist does is ask the volunteers to close their eyes and relax. Autosuggestion is essentially self-hypnosis. Make sure your bedroom is dark and quiet. Take a few deep and mindful breaths. Try to quiet your mind. It helps me to do a little mindfulness meditation and focus on my breathing. Just take a moment or two until you feel your mind and body relax. Once relaxed, repeat some positive affirmations in your mind. Say things like, I will remember my dreams. I will wake up and remember my dreams. Remembering dreams comes naturally and easily to me. My dreams are vivid and clear. The key is to really feel that you mean it. Use as much emotion and gusto as you can muster. Feel the satisfaction of waking up from an amazing dream and remembering it in full detail. Repeat the affirmations slowly in your mind until you feel your intention is set. It usually takes me about 1 to 3 minutes of focused repetition to feel that my intention is firmly set in my mind. Mean every word that you say. Avoid running on autopilot. If you can, fall asleep repeating your intention. This step isn't necessary, but it is helpful. For a light sleeper like me, this kind of focused mental repetition keeps me awake. I recommend a short autosuggestion session before sleep every night to set your intentions for the night. If you feel your dream recall is in good shape, it isn't necessary to perform this exercise every night. Rather, use it to touch up your dream recall periodically. Included with this course is an autosuggestion MP3 that you can use to improve your dream recall and lucid dreaming abilities. Listen to this audio before you go to sleep to prime your brain for dreaming activities.